Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain circumventing system policy violation from Facebook. Because of this problem, Facebook will temporarily disable your ad account. After some days, they will permanently terminate your ad account. So it is a major policy violation. Here I will explain what is the reason for this and what is the solution, how you can recover your ad account from this policy violation. This circumventing system policy violation, you can see here some example they provide. Here when we are making any ad or post, we will do the ad text or post text. There if you are going to use some special character or symbols or emojis, maybe that is against the Facebook policy, then they can disable your ad account, or maybe they will reject your ad. Normal cases, directly they are disabling the ad account. And another example, restrict Facebook's access to an ad's destination page. It means like a Facebook ad robots, they cannot go to your destination page. For example, in one post or ad, you are giving website link or any external link, and Facebook cannot access to that page. That is also considering in this circumventing system policy violation. Then another example here, you already have policy violation in one ad account, and you are going to create another ad account. You didn't fix the old one and you are going to create a new ad account again. So that is also its spamming category. So the Facebook algorithm or the machine, they will think that you are going to do again policy violation from another ad account. So that is also one of the reason to disable your ad account. And also if you are going to use your website link or any external link in your post or ad, I will never recommend to use the shortened link. Example like a bit.ly. If you are going to short your link from any of the website similar to this is Facebook policy violation. Your ad account will disable. Example, for example, this is your website. So you will take your website link and go to the bit.ly or a similar website and shorten, and you are going to use this, for example, in your post or ad. So Facebook will go to this link first, then redirect and going to your website. So this is also a policy violation. It will come under circumventing systems. That also part of the policy violation. Example, it's like political related or health related, something like, if you are going to promote the contents like, more into health related, medical related, and also something, it's very sensitive contents, that also it's coming under the same category. If you already did any of this policy violation in your post or ad, you need to delete the ad first. So now I'm going to explain how to recover your ad account from this policy violation. So delete the post or ad which got the policy violation. After that, open your Facebook profile which you have already that page. Then open new tab, press the new tab, and there you can type facebook.com/adsmanager. Just type this URL, then enter. When you hit enter button, you will reach to this page in your ads manager. There you will get a warning that your account is disabled. You cannot run the ads. It's already disabled here, they mention. There you can see details. You need to click see details. Then you will reach to this page. So here you can see you need to request for the review. But before requesting for the review, make sure you delete already the policy violation post or ad. Then request for a review. Then follow the steps. After request the review, you need to wait for the approval from Facebook. Once it's already disabled, you need to do as soon as possible this requesting option, because there will be some time period. If you didn't request for review within that day, your account will permanently disable. Then we cannot recover our account. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.